Good morning, students! Welcome back to Watkenok School YouTube channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the different shapes of magnets. So, everybody, let's have fun learning this lesson in science. Are you ready? Very good. Let's start!
Pull, pull, push, push, pull and push. Pull, pull, push, push. This is magnet.
Princess Turtle on her morning walk found a magnet under a red truck. She liked it so much and put it on her back.
Pull the spoons, pull the forks, pull them all. Pull, 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 pull the clips, pull the pins, pull them all until you fall. Pull, pull, push, push. This is Magnet Prince Dragonfly. On his morning flight, found a magnet under the daylight. He liked it so much and put it on his neck. Pull the spoons, pull the forks, pull them all. Pull, 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 pull the clips, pull the pins, pull them all until you fall. Oh!
Magnets. The question is, what magnet is it? Number 1, we have bar magnet. Number 2, we have ring magnet. Number 3, we have U-shaped magnet. Number 4, circular magnet. Number 5, cylindrical magnet. And finally, we have horseshoe magnet.